What's up, K Day Mob? Y'all, today is Wednesday, June the 3rd, and my husband's birthday is coming up, so I ordered him some cupcakes from Walmart, so I gotta go by there and get that. Then I need to go by the bank, and then I'm probably gonna go by Starbucks to pick us up some drinks. So, yeah. He done put me in so much Chanel, fuck around and make Tyler mad. Today I'm pulling out the G-Wag. Tonight this nigga getting T-bag. First round